This website has paid out over millions to their users all around the world. Can you imagine what a fraction of that amount would do to your lifestyle? What would you be able to do even with just a slice of that huge pile of income? Where could you travel? What could you experience and how amazing would you feel? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how these people are making millions of dollars just by copying and pasting websites. You don't need tech skills for this. You don't need previous experience, and it's one of the easiest ways to make money online in 2021. So, this is the website which we'll be using, and it has paid out over millions of dollars to their users. This started like 2 years ago, and it's already paying out millions of dollars to its users. Now, this is a silly question, but can you type it in the comments down below? What would you do if you were making millions of dollars online? I know this is a huge figure, but let's just make this video more interesting. Type it in the comments. What would you do if you were making millions of dollars online? Where would you travel? What would you buy? And how would you spend that money? I'm curious to know. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications, and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Anyway, this is a new platform that we'll be using. This is worldwide, and anyone from anywhere in the world can start selling their own website. In fact, you can actually flip websites on this platform and you'll see exactly how it works. You can see that on top of the listing, these people are selling millions of dollars. You can either go to this website to buy or sell your own business website, but don't worry, you don't need to create a website yourself and you don't need to build a business. You can start with this today, and I'll explain to you exactly how and exactly why this works. Now, let's not expect to get rich quickly or to make billions of dollars in a single day with this. You'll need to put in some work and effort, and maybe you won't be able to make millions, but this is just proof that this platform has massive potential. Now, all of these websites are listed for sale on this website. These are pretty much professional, high-quality websites, and that's why they're listed for millions of dollars. So you just can't just come in with a random website and sell it for a lot of money on this website. It's not how it works. So you'll need to have a professional website and an established platform and then list it for sale. So to get started with this website, you'll need to come over to this brand new website that I'll be showing you in a bit. Click on this register button right here so you can sign up for free. Click the sign up button and then enter your first name, your last name, your valid email address, your phone number. This is an important step, so you need to enter your real phone number in this box. Select selling websites. You don't want to spend any money here. You just want to make money, and it's gonna ask you, are you looking to buy or sell a site within the next 30 days? Obviously, yes, you want to get started as soon as possible, and once you fill out all of the boxes, you'll be able to click next. And then tell them a little bit more about yourself, and you can now sign up to this secret tool. Now, where can you actually get a high-quality website so you can sell it to this website and make money? How can you actually get a website done for you if you have no previous experience with this? Well, there are two options. I think you'll like the second one more, but let's start with the first option. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will receive money soon, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So if we get 1,000 likes on this video, we'll launch an insane brand new video that might be even cooler than this. So comment, I will receive money soon down below. We'll be releasing a new video next week to show you how to make even more money online by performing basic jobs like these on your computers or phones. So let's get back to the video now. Okay, so the first option is to go to Flippa.com. This is a more popular marketplace where you can find high quality and professional websites for a lot less money than on the first website. So that first website is an established platform for high quality and expensive websites, and it's really similar to Flippa.com, but what you can simply do is come over to Flippa.com and you can see all of these websites that are being listed for sale. High quality websites that are already getting traffic, that are already making some money and has a monthly income, which you can buy for this amount and you can resell them on our first website, and that's how this actually works. Now, you can sell a website that's only this amount and then resell it for $1 million, but even if you sell it for thousands of dollars, you'll still make profit. Now, you can browse all these different websites and find a high quality one. Find the one that's getting a lot of traffic, that's looking good, that has a good standing, that's already making some money, that has some profit site. Buy it for this amount and you can resell it on EmpireFlippers.com. Yes, this is the URL of the first website we used earlier. That's one option on how you can do this and make money with EmpireFlippers.com, because once again, on this website, people are selling their platforms to their website for a lot more money, and the people that use EmpireFlippers.com don't know about Flippa and don't have that much trust on Flippa, and that's why they don't use it. That's why they're not directly buying from Flippa.com, and that's why this strategy works. That's why you can resell these websites from Flippa to EmpireFlippers.com. So yes, in this you would need to invest a little bit of money, but you can easily double or triple it because you saw on EmpireFlippers.com, people are listing their websites for a lot of money. In line with that, according to SimilarWeb, EmpireFlippers.com is just starting to blow up. It has over 500,000 monthly visitors, and people that visit this website are coming from countries like the United States, Canada, and United Kingdom, which are top-tier countries. Also, keep in mind that there are only 80 listings in EmpireFlippers.com at the moment, and they already have 500,000 visitors. What that means is that a huge portion of people in Empire Flippers are buyers of websites. Once again, you saw that there are only a number of listings and there is a massive amount of people that visit this website every single month. So a lot of them are interested in buying websites from Empire Flippers, and that's why this strategy works so well. Once again, option number 1 is just to flip websites from Flippa.com and go to EmpireFlippers.com to resell them for a lot more money. We sell them for more even if it's just for a little profit. It's not bad at all because it requires less than 10 minutes to buy websites on Flippa and then list it for sale on Empire Flippers. It's really simple and you can make hundreds of dollars of profit with this. Okay, the second option is to use some other freelancing websites like Fiverr.com, and you can get an entire website done for you. So you can pay someone to create an entire high-quality professional website for you in Fiverr. It's gonna cost around these amounts and it's probably gonna take a couple of days. But once it's done, you can list it as a fresh new website on EmpireFlippers.com. What you'd want to do is list it for a slightly larger amount than you invested. For example, this amount, and then sell it for an amount higher, and that is pretty much pure profit. If you get a website done from Fiverr, you can list it on both Flippa and Empire Flippers, and that way, it will increase your chances of getting a sale faster, and once you start making some money, you can kind of create a snowball effect. Buy more and more websites or list more and more websites and build your own empire. If you have 10 different websites selling on both Flippa and Empire Flippers, you stand a good chance of making a lot of money online, and this is definitely a business that has huge potential. And you need to treat it like a business. Invest some time, invest a little bit of money, do a little bit of research. It will require some time and effort, but it can definitely pay off if you give it some time now. The reason I recommend you use Fiverr is because Fiverr is really competitive. The huge number of services available for creating a website and a high number of people that are selling their services on Fiverr means in order to stand out, these freelancers are willing to provide professional service for a lot less money. Since there's a huge competition, sellers need to list their services for a lot less, and that's why I recommend you use Fiverr. You can get high quality professional services for way cheaper than on different freelancing websites. Definitely feel free to try out this method and let me know how it went in the comments down below. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, Just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.